Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Lannie, and today I'm going to be doing a 3-in-1 Valentine's Day look. My face is already cleansed and moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and prime, and I'm going to be using my Milk primer here. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. Actually, it's I think probably almost a year. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and rub that primer in. Especially on my T-zone. I am a super oily person, so I definitely have to make sure that this area is primed. I'm going to go in with my DermaBlend loose setting powder, and I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put this on with my powder puff, and this is to help control the oil. Next, I'm going to set this powder into my face. It's a light layer. With that, you guys, I need to do all the tips and tricks to help my makeup stay on and to not get so oily throughout the day. I'm going to go ahead and work on my brows, and I'm just going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color Expresso. So I like this because it's dual-sided. This side has the spoolie and this side has the actual pigment to do your brows. So while I am doing that, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen. She is a fellow YouTuber. She has been married for 12 years. She's a fellow veteran. And she has 6 children, you guys. She has 3 girls and 3 boys, and they are super adorable. I met Courtney through the internet I think about a year or 2 ago when we were first starting our channels, and she is super sweet, very supportive, very uplifting, and so yeah, I really like Courtney. So she asked me to do this collab with her, and I said most definitely. I do have a couple collabs with her actually, and I will list those in the description below for you guys if you are interested. But yeah, she's awesome. She does mostly like cleaning motivation, and she does cooking. She does something I really like called Reset Sundays, where she pretty much resets for the week. She gets her kids clothing, she cleans, she cooks, you know, get them ready for the week ahead. So I really like her Reset Sundays. She does a plethora of things, anything that has to do with being a woman, wife, and mother. So when you guys are done with watching my video, you can head over to Courtney's video and check her channel out, you guys, and make sure that you let her know that I sent you. So I'm just going to continue to fill out my brows. I used to like really bold brows. I do still like them from time to time depending on what makeup look I'm going for. But I've been going for like really light bronzy makeup recently, so I'm going to be doing my brows a little bit on the lighter side today. Take my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Dark 180N. And I'm just going to take this and kind of clean up the bottom of my brow. To hold them in place, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and it looks like this. It has a wand on it, and I'm just mainly going to focus on the front because they tend to fall back down after a while. So I'm just going to really focus that gel on the front of my brows. I'm going to be using my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. This is how it looks on the inside. Very pretty. So I'm going for like a really light eyeshadow look. I don't want to do anything like super drastic. So the first color I am going to go in is Mino. Hope I'm saying that right. Gonna dip into that color. See, you can tell it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna prime my eyelids first, just with a little bit of concealer. And go over my lid. And now I'm going to go into that color. And I'm going to focus that on the edge here. I'm going to stop at the midway point here. Continue to build that color up. This color here. And go like around the edges of that dark color, just so it doesn't look as harsh. I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to use that same concealer that we were using earlier. Take a brush and go ahead and cut that crease. Next, I'm going to use this color. It's called Ahasi. And I'm going to put that in the area that I put that concealer. I'm going to go back into that dark color here and try to blend those two colors together. This color here, I think it's called Marini. I'm sorry if I'm butchering these names. I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray and spray the tip of this brush and dip it into this color. Alright, so I just popped on some lashes and now we're going to move on to skin, and I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Oil-Free Foundation, and this is what it looks like. And this is in the color, does it have a color on it? Expresso. This is in the color Expresso. And this foundation is $4, you guys. I got this a while ago from Walmart, actually. And I really like it. I'm gonna dot this all over my face. And this is pretty light coverage, but you can obviously build up to what you want it to be. I'm gonna take a Real Techniques brush and blend that into my skin. That same ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to go under my eyes with it. And you guys know, I'm sure you've seen a lot of makeup tutorials. So yeah, under the eyes, the forehead, bridge of the nose, you know. Gonna take my damp sponge and blend that out. Next, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. Between those two colors. I'm not going to add any more pigment and contour my nose just a little. I'm going to set under my eyes with that same powder that we used in the very beginning. Set under my eyes and all of the other areas that we used concealer. And I don't bake anymore. I just like to press the powder into those areas. After applying our powder to our highlighted areas, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder, and this is in the color Coconut. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and go over my whole face.
Hey, Mommy!
Milani Baked Blush and Rose d'Oro. And it's gonna take, and I like this blush because it does have a little bit of like a peachy pigment, rosy pigment to it, but it also has like a little bit of highlight in it as well, so it's like a 2-in-1. So I really like it. On my nose. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. I'm going to go back into that dark brown color and smudge out my lower lash line. That brush off, and I'm going to go back in with the same brush and take that light brown color that we used earlier as well and go right up under that dark color, just so it doesn't look super harsh. It kind of diffuses the color just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Great Lash in Blackest Black. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using my NYX eye pencil in the color Dark Brown, and I'm also going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Rome. Alright, so that is it for the makeup. It's looking pretty cute. So now we're going to move on to the hair. So I have this big old bonnet on, and last night I retwisted my hair. This is an old twist out. I have a video already up on how I achieved this twist out and what I used on this twist out. If you want to know the details on that, I will link that in the description below for you guys. So this is the first time I'm trying banding my twists, banding my hair while they're in twists. So hopefully they did something. I don't know if this is going to work, but I don't like to use heat on my hair all the time to stretch it, so I figured I would use this method and see how well it works. So I'm just going to take my hair out of these bands here, and it looks like it did, because my hair shrinks a lot. It looks like it did actually stretch it a bit. So the bands are out. Now I'm going to use my Camille Rose oil, which I've talked about in my previous video. And I'm also going to go ahead and rub that all over my fingers and take my twist down. I think I want to do an updo. So I'm gonna kind of twist the back up. These tendrils down a little bit. I just have some mousse. That's the closest thing to me right now. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it just on these two on the side, just so they can kind of lay down a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I like it. I'm gonna let it stay regardless if it lays flat or not. Okay, there we go. Just needed to add a little bit more. That is it. Just a couple bobby pins and you got a cute little hairstyle. So this is the front, side, back. I don't know how the back looks, but hopefully it looks cute. Other side. All right, so our makeup is done, our hair is done. So now let's go ahead and try on a couple outfits and see what we end up picking. Alright you guys, so that is it. We went through makeup, we went through hair, and we went through a few outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Again, I would love for you guys to go over to Courtney's channel from Mama Makes It Happen and check out her content, you guys, because she is truly awesome. I love y'all so much and I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful Valentine's Day and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.